So if you had to guess what computer this came out of, I'm sure you'd say something like a computer from 2005. Well, you're wrong. This computer was shipped by HP in 2011 using a Bestec 25012Z, which are notorious for failure, but also extremely old at that point. Notice that it only has a 20-pin connector, and the motherboard had 24 pins, which seems really super odd for a manufacturer to do that. And then also, notice how it has 0 SATA connectors on its own. So HP decided that they'd use the molded connectors, and as you know, those are notorious for catching on fire. Jeez. It's like, this thing has been in a computer for several years now, and somehow it's still working and hasn't caught fire. But beware of the cheaper Compaq systems from the early 2010s. They might have one of these. But I can't believe that they do this. Like, that's just stupid.